Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Christina at Homeschool and Grace, and today is part 2 of the Clean With Me, doing the Fly Lady system. And so it's been a couple days since I did the first one, and I didn't do my clutter check, so that's kind of part of it too. So to give a little background, I do the Fly Lady Cat's version of Fly Lady, and she recommends doing clutter checks 3 to 4 times a day, and I do them on my main floor. I'm really bad about getting upstairs doing the clutter checks, and so I didn't do one in the schoolroom, and there's clutter. So the way this is gonna go today is I'm gonna go get a kid, one of my kids, to come help me. I'm gonna set the timer for 5 minutes, and we'll do a quick pickup of all the clutter, and then I'll set the timer for 15 minutes, and we'll do another 15-minute what am I trying to say? I'm really trying to just get rid of clutter and get rid of stuff we don't need. So what is it? A declutter. I don't know why that was so difficult to say or remember. So as you remember, I did back over here, I did my oldest daughter's kind of her bin system next to her desk, and I kind of got the area by the garbage can cleaned up, and then I picked up a lot of stuff off the floor, a lot of trash and stuff. So now today my goal is to do another kid's, that one's her bins, and kind of get all those bins like figured out and just decluttered, and then because I want to get all my papers together so I can start going through those each day, because that's another part of it, and I haven't started that. You're supposed to declutter 1 inch of paper a day, so you have 6 inches total for the week, or 5 inches, and I have not started that yet. So and my biggest paper hog is the school papers, and I have like bins of old schoolwork of my kids I haven't even like touched yet, since I've been saving it from preschool on, and my oldest is 5th grade now, going into 6th grade, and like that is a lot of papers. I gotta get through all that. So let's start with the clutter check. Okay, so see, we've got a bag of candy on the floor, toys, paints need to be put away, magnets, and a few odds and end papers that got left out. Puzzle pieces and paints.
And there's markers.
So you're gonna help me clutter check?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, get my phone. Okay, let's set the timer for 5 minutes.
Got it. Timer. 5 minutes.
Let's go. Okay, pick an area, pick a spot.
I'll start with the magnets. Want me to take them off of this too?
Yes, please.
Okay.
All done.
Okay. That was our clutter check. Clutter check. We do this like every time there's a dirty room. Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, so that was our clutter check, and now I'm gonna work on my 2nd graders, soon to be 3rd graders, desk area. Okay. Here goes 15 more minutes. I've got my trash bag, and I've got a laundry bin for get rid of, and then put away. 2, 2, 2. Too much stuff. I'm not even doing this math anymore. Get rid of that. Okay, next, and this is all our calendar pieces. All our hole punches. We do not use hardly any of these. We always have good intentions with these, and we never end up using them. Okay, this next portion here is her desk. Oh my. Better put the candy back. Okay. Here's my stack of papers to go through. Got 5 minutes left. Okay, might as well get some more done. I'm trying to get all the papers done, so I'll just finish all that up. Getting a stack of papers to go through. This can stay out. So here's all my kindergartner's papers. Okay. So, here's all my papers. Here's all my papers that I found in the girls' bins and such that need to be decide what's going to be kept and what we're getting rid of. So, that's always a hard part for me. But I'm going to add it to my pile of papers right now, and then I need to start going through it. I don't even know if it'll fit up here. Okay, here's all my papers. And then all these papers need to be gone through, and that's just this year's papers. Okay, so here's what I did. Cleaned out her desk. And we cleaned out up here. And all of these except the glue, because that's not a big deal to me right now. And then I cleaned out my kindergartners, so now it's nice and tidy to finish up. We always have a little bit that we're doing when she's bored. We do just a little bit, so just to keep the school going. Okay, here's what I'm getting rid of. We're not going to be doing Singapore math anymore, so I'm just going to get rid of it. Bless someone else with that. And then here's stuff to be put away. So, time to put stuff away. These are all kindergarten books. I just let them pile in there. I'm going to have to do 2 trips. Alright, so I hope that was helpful to see how I'm putting stuff away and trying to get through all those papers. Oh my word. Let me know if you want to see me like actually go through the papers. That's going to be a big project, but I'm supposed to just do an inch a day. And then I have one day where I actually have to put it away, what I'm keeping. So it's probably going to make me not want to keep very much of anything, except like math and language arts. Like, that's about it. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And I hope this video was helpful for you to like give you some tips on cleaning if you needed them, especially your schoolroom, because you know it's just always it can get burdensome quickly with how like messy it can get with all the stuff that accumulates, and just so much stuff. So on tomorrow's video, or the next video, part 3, my goal is to go through my closet area. So there's a lot of things there that I really don't need anymore, and we're just going to be getting rid of a lot of like old curriculum, so you won't want to miss that. It's going to kind of be fun to see like what we've used in the past and bringing in the new. So alright, thank you so much for stopping by today, and if you like this video, here are some others to go and check out, and don't forget to hit my little picture here in the middle of my family to subscribe, and I hope to see you at the next video. Alright, thanks, bye bye.